Life today is fast, noisy, and relentless. Notifications ping the moment we wake up. Deadlines loom. Social media demands we keep up, show up, and measure up. Stress has become our default state. But what if I told you the answers to these struggles were written 2,000 years ago? Stoicism, a philosophy forged in the fires of chaos, offers clarity, control, and peace in today's world. Let me show you how. Our biggest problem today: distraction. We wake up and check our phones, consumed by news, messages, and posts. Before we've even started our day, our attention is hijacked, our focus gone. Then there's comparison. Every scroll on social media feels like a punch to our self-worth. Someone's got a better job, a better body, a better life. And we ask ourselves, why am I not there yet? And let's not forget the pressure to achieve. Hustle culture tells us, if you're not grinding 24/7, you're falling behind. But deep down, we know we're burning out. Anxiety, it's everywhere. Fear of failure, fear of the future, fear of not being enough. It keeps us up at night and follows us through the day. Modern life feels like an endless treadmill, doesn't it? We're running, but we're not sure where we're going, or if we'll ever get there. But imagine this. A Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, faced betrayals, wars, and the weight of an empire. Yet he wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The Stoics lived in chaos too. Their cities burned, their leaders fell. Life was unpredictable, but they thrived because they understood one key truth. You can't control the world, but you can control how you respond to it. This ancient wisdom isn't outdated. In fact, it's more relevant today than ever. So how can we apply Stoicism to our modern lives? Let's start with distractions. Seneca reminds us, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Ask yourself, where is your time going? Are you giving it to things that don't serve you? Put down the distractions. Focus on what truly matters. Feeling anxious about the future? The Stoics remind us, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Don't let your mind create problems that don't exist yet. Deal with today's challenges, not tomorrow's fears. Struggling with comparison? Epictetus teaches, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Stop measuring your worth against others. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Focus on your own growth. And what about failure? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Every setback is a chance to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Failures aren't the end. They're stepping stones. Finally, simplify. Marcus Aurelius believed in cutting out the noise. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Life isn't as complicated as we make it. Focus on the essentials and let the rest fall away. Stoicism isn't about running from the chaos. It's about thriving within it. It's about building resilience, staying grounded, and finding peace in a world that's constantly pulling you in a million directions. It teaches us that we don't need to fix the world. We only need to fix how we see the world. That's where our power lies. When you face adversity, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead, ask, "How can I grow from this?" Stoicism transforms obstacles into opportunities. And when life feels overwhelming, remember, you have power over your mind. That power is enough. You are enough. The world isn't going to slow down. The noise won't stop, but you don't have to be swept away by it. Take back your focus. Take back your peace. Ask yourself, what's in my control? Focus there and let go of the rest. The Stoics left us a roadmap, a guide to living with purpose, clarity, and strength. It's time to pick it up. It's time to live by it. Are you ready to embrace Stoicism and take control of your life? Start today, because your future self is depending on you. If you found value in this, and you're ready to take control of your mind, your life, and your future, subscribe now. Join a community of individuals striving for clarity, purpose, and strength. Your journey to a better you starts here.